Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in automotive gear. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in off-road protection, the best Arb bumper for your Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015. If you're looking to elevate your truck's durability and off-road capabilities, this is the bumper that's going to give you the protection and performance you need. The first thing you'll notice about this bumper is its heavy-duty design. It's constructed from 11-gauge carbon steel, ensuring it can withstand the harshest off-road conditions. This bumper is not only built to protect the front of your Tacoma but also comes with a skid plate that offers under-engine protection, keeping your critical components safe when navigating rough terrains. One of the standout features of this bumper is its winch capability. It's equipped with a winch plate that can support up to 12,000 pounds, which makes it perfect for those challenging off-road adventures where you need that extra muscle. Whether you're stuck in a tough spot or need to assist someone else, this bumper's winch plate will help you get the job done. For those who like to explore in low-light conditions, the bumper comes with a set of powerful LED spotlights. The 90-watt LED spotlight bar and two 18-watt LED spotlights will light up your path, ensuring visibility no matter how dark it gets. This is a game-changer when you're out on the trails at night or in low-visibility environments. The sleek and stylish design of this bumper adds a rugged, yet modern touch to your Tacoma's appearance. Its black carbon fiber finish not only looks great but also provides corrosion resistance, meaning it will stay looking new for years to come, even in the toughest weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, with the bumper coming with all the necessary hardware and instructions. You'll find the process smooth and hassle-free, ensuring you can get back on the road in no time. So if you're looking to upgrade your Toyota Tacoma and add both style and strength, the best Arb bumper is a top-tier choice. With its winch capability, LED lighting, and durable build, it's designed to handle anything you throw at it. Don't miss out on the chance to give your truck the protection it deserves. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the best automotive products out there. See you next time.